When it comes to church management software, ParsoConnect is one solution that you might be considering, but before you decide if it's the right choice, there are a few things you should know. Compared to competitors like Planning Center and Breeze, ParsoConnect offers some standout features, but it also has its limitations. Stick around as we break down 12 things you need to know before buying. First off, ParsoConnect is known for its ease of use. It's a solid option for smaller churches that don't want the complexity of larger systems. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it relatively simple for new users to pick up. This is a big plus for those who need something straightforward, compared to more feature-heavy systems like Church Community Builder. Next thing, ParsoConnect offers a comprehensive member management system. You can keep track of attendance, contributions, and even handle volunteer scheduling. This is pretty standard for most church management tools, but ParsoConnect does it in a way that's easy to navigate, which some larger systems struggle with due to their complexity. The third thing, the software integrates well with a variety of third-party tools, including accounting software, payment processors, and email platforms. However, it's worth noting that some competitors offer even more integrations, giving you a broader ecosystem for your church management needs. The fourth thing is its mobile app. ParsoConnect's mobile app is decent, but it's not as robust as the mobile offerings from competitors like Planning Center, which can give you more flexibility when you're on the go. Next thing, ParsoConnect has a built-in contribution tracking feature. It allows donors to make one-time or recurring donations, but it's a bit basic when compared to something like ChurchTrack, which offers more advanced reporting and customizations. The sixth thing, ParsoConnect supports event management, but it doesn't offer the same level of detail and customization as platforms like ACS Technologies. If you're looking for extensive event management tools, you may find ParsoConnect lacking. The seventh thing is its customer support. While ParsoConnect offers decent customer service, it doesn't quite match up to the 24/7 live support some competitors like Breeze offer, which can be a deal breaker for churches needing quick assistance. The eighth thing is pricing. ParsoConnect is generally more affordable than many other church management systems, especially for smaller churches. However, there may be additional costs depending on the features you need, so always check the fine print before committing. The ninth thing is the church website builder. While ParsoConnect does offer a website builder, it's pretty basic. If you need a highly customizable church website, you might want to consider something like ShareFaith, which offers more options. The 10th thing is its reporting capabilities. ParsoConnect's reporting is fairly simple, which can be a good thing if you don't need complex reports. But if you're looking for detailed financial and attendance reports, other options like Church Community Builder might be a better fit. The 11th thing is that ParsoConnect is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere. However, it's worth noting that other systems like Fellowship One have better offline capabilities, in case your church is in an area with spotty internet access. Finally, while ParsoConnect has many positive aspects, such as its ease of use and affordability, it doesn't offer all the bells and whistles that some larger systems bring to the table. It's great for small to medium-sized churches, but may fall short for those with more complex needs. In conclusion, ParsoConnect is a solid option for many churches, especially those just starting or needing a simpler solution. However, if you're looking for a more feature-rich platform, you might want to check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.